Last night I went to bed after putting this together, this part of the bed, and having a haircut. And I just couldn't rest easy because it just didn't feel right. So this morning I've been out to my local steel stockist at Nubco, and I bought some angle iron, and I've just cut it in the right size, and I feel a lot happier. I just felt that it was just too... Look, it probably would have been fine, but it just didn't look right to me. You know, I so I've got some 6mm angle, which is just slightly over a quarter of an inch by, what's that, about 2.5 inches. And I think it just finishes it off nicely. It's solid. It's not going to flex, and I do intend to cut aluminium on this, and at some point I've got some lovely slabs of granite, ground granite, that I'm going to put in here. I think. So, you know, I want to, later on in the year, I want to make this sort of a bit of a modular unit. Let's just push this back a bit. Okay. Yeah, I just want to make this a modular unit, and I want one area here at the front that, if I want to, because I'm going to eventually make not exactly a water tank, but a wet area that, you know, I can use coolant on it, whether it be mist coolant, probably mist coolant, and you know, not sort of damage the rest of the MDF board. So I want an area where I can sort of unscrew and take out the top layer of MDF and put in, you know, a granite slab then in a sort of a tank affair. That yeah, that's the plan anyway. So I'm going to drill these out and get these screwed in. Then we'll measure up and we'll cut the rest of the bed up. So I'm just taking off the corner, or rounding the corner off, because the angle iron on the inside edge has a slight radius. So I'm just taking this off to accommodate the radius of the angle iron. I think we'll bring this video to a close now. And I hope you've enjoyed this installment of making this the AMAX CNC router. What I intend to do is build the whole thing, because a couple of you have asked me this, get it all running, make sure everything's okay, and then I'm going to strip it again and paint it. But I'm only painting the steel parts. I like to see aluminium, nice and shiny. So, if you've liked this video, please like and subscribe, and if you like what I'm doing, you may like to pop along to my Patreon page and become a patron and support the channel. Because basically it's the patrons that keep this channel going and enable me to do things like this for you guys. So thank you for joining me, and come and have a look at some of my other videos, and it's bye for now.